Come back here! Ah! Ah! Got me! Yeah, you got me in the head.
Hey y'all, Grubandtherangerz here and welcome back. Today we have some footage from Check Six Airsoft outside of Utica, New York. We had a huge blast out at their open play, and we will have our AAR of Check Six Airsoft at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the gameplay.
Oh shit! Right side secure! All right, I got enemy reinforcements moving from my 12. They're at the camper. I got here and they were just walking down right here. That was fucking one. They're covering the juggernaut for us. Keep your gun on front path, I'll watch left. And then somebody gun left. We're at the barrier. Cover the barrier. They're both in the barrier. Hit. God damn it. This is kind of a hard push. I was trying to get to the next building, but he's like right down there. Your friend's in the middle. He was shooting at me with the sniper rifle. Oh, he's close. The next cover, so not the one right in front of us, but right past that. There's two of them over there. Can you see him if you peek around the right side right here? He's shooting at us. There's two of them. You've been drinking water?
Yeah, I have
fuck, he's right there. I'm gonna try to move up, but you wanna throw it? Yeah. Throw it on this right side over here as hard as you can. Like, directly right there. Yeah. Just pull it directly sideways.
Can you do it?
Yeah. You wanna throw it or you want me to throw it?
You can throw it.
Okay. Hold on. Get up on that corner and get ready to cover. He's watching, so be careful. Yeah. Yeah, to the next cover. To the car, to the car, to the car. That worked really well, actually. You just watch out. Yeah. Oh shit. They're to our left somewhere.
I think they're both in front of us, and it's near the light.
Yeah.
Is that our team?
Yeah, that's Gonzo.
Oh, sorry.
Hmm?
There's a Nerf bullet.
Oh, that's more. Oh, right in front of us. He's not paying attention. I think he sees me. I'm about to push up to this next cover. If you can cover like over here.
Okay,
So like come up.
the next-
I'm gonna move to this building right here.
Wait, so you want to go in building 2?
No, just sit right here. Yeah.
Okay.
And then if they try to push from this side, you can like jump up right here. Hey, push to me. See that? He's right there.
He's going swimming now.
Yeah, if you just crouch down like right here, you can probably shoot him. Just watch out. You got both of them?
He's swimming right at me.
Shoot him. Don't let him shoot you.
Ooh. Is that a nail?
Yeah, should I shoot him with it?
Yeah. Ah, I hit.
You got hit?
Yeah. On the foot.
All right. Come back here! Ah! Ah! Oh, you got! Oh, you got me! Yeah, you got me in the head. Dude, that was fucking nasty.
I hope you all enjoyed the gameplay. We'll have more gameplay from Check Six Airsoft coming soon. Gonzo and myself had quite the time at Check Six. At first glance, it looks like your everyday airsoft/paintball field, but the drastic change in cover throughout the field allowed for a lot of movement, along with there being a juggernaut free roam in the field that forced movement even when you had a better position, and it just created a challenge that made the gameplay feel fresh and exciting. The only gripe for the field was the gaps in the walls that caused you to get hit through what you would hope was solid cover. Other than that, the field play was great. Solid 8 out of 10 for the field. The shop had not a crazy amount to offer, however they had pyro, smokes, BBs, gas, and free HPA fills, which for a pro shop was more than you could ask for. So for the shop, I'd have to say a 6 out of 10. However, I would like to mention they did provide everything you could need to play. I would like to mention the fee to play all day was only $10 and $25 for all day play with rental. Overall rating, a solid 8 out of 10 for Check 6, and we are excited to return soon. Thank you all for staying till the end of the video. Don't forget to smack that subscribe button, like and comment, as your feedback helps improve our videos. Until next time, guys. See you again, BB Warriors.